Good day everyone. The title that I will describe is IoT reaction video. My name is Timothy Jan Terte from Block 36 VSHM. The video provides a clear, concise explanation of the Internet of Things, IoT, and its significance in every life. It effectively breaks down IoT as a network of connected devices that collect and exchange data, making it easier for users to monitor and optimize various aspects of their lives. The example of a smartwatch is particularly relatable as it demonstrates how IoT devices help individuals track their health and make informed decisions. Moreover, the video highlights the key benefits of IoT, such as reducing human effort in providing valuable data to enhance productivity, health, and energy efficiency. This is an important takeaway as IoT is increasingly shaping the way people interact with technology. However, the video could go further by addressing potential challenges such as security risks and data privacy concerns. Overall, the video serves as a good introduction to IoT, making it accessible to a broad audience. It encourages viewers to explore the technology further, which is essential given its growing role in modern life. Advantage: The Internet of Things, IoT, offers numerous benefits including automation, real-time monitoring, cost reduction, enhanced security, convenience, improved healthcare, and green benefits. It facilitates automation in sectors like healthcare, manufacturing, and smart homes. While real-time data collection, its informed decision-making, IoT-enabled security system provide enhanced safety, while smart devices and wearable technology enhance convenience. Additionally, IoT contributes to green practices, reducing wastage and supporting sustainability. Next, disadvantage. The Internet of Things, IoT, offers numerous benefits but also has several drawbacks. This includes security risks, privacy concerns, high initial cost, compatibility issues, dependence on internet and power, data overload, and short device lifespan and maintenance. IoT devices are vulnerable to cyber attacks, privacy concerns, and can be expensive to set up, making it difficult for business and individuals to integrate and communicate between them. Personal insight. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a game changer in how we interact with technology, making our lives more efficient, connected, and automated. From smart homes and wearable devices to industrial automation and healthcare advancement, IoT has transformed multiple sectors. On the positive side, IoT improves convenience and efficiency. Smart homes allows us to control lights, security, and appliance remotely, while wearable devices track science and promote healthcare lifestyle. Businesses also benefit from real-time data monitoring, optimizing operations, and reducing costs. However, IoT is not without challenge. Security risks and privacy concerns are major issues, as connected devices can be hacked, leading to data breaches. The dependency on internet, connectivity, and power supply can also make IoT system unreliable in certain situations. Overall, IoT is a powerful innovation that, if managed properly with strong security measures and ethical consideration, can greatly improve both personal and professional aspects of life. Conclusion. In conclusion, IoT is increasingly integrated into daily life, offering convenience, automation, and efficiency. While many people benefit from smart home devices, wearables, and connected systems, concern about privacy, security, and reliance on the internet may deter some users. The decision to adopt IoT ultimately depends on the individual needs, comfort with technology, and awareness of potential risks. As IoT continues to evolve, its impact on everyday life will likely grow, shaping how people interact with their environment. Yun lang po. Thank you, sir.